What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to import and add a voiceover in the CapCut mobile app. Start by opening the project you want to add your own voiceover to. Once inside the timeline, make sure nothing is selected. Now, at the bottom of the screen, tap on Audio. From the Audio menu, scroll along until you see the option for Record and tap on it. Before you begin recording, position the playhead exactly where you want the voiceover to start. This could be at the beginning of the video or any point in the middle depending on your needs. When you're ready, tap the microphone icon to start recording. If it's your first time, the app may ask for permission to access your microphone. You will see a short countdown and then the recording will begin. Speak clearly into your device's mic and say everything you want included in the voiceover. Once you're done, tap the microphone icon again to stop the recording. After recording, you will see the voiceover appear as an audio layer in your timeline. If you're not happy with it, you can either tap delete to redo it or explore enhancements like voice effects or audio cleanup by tapping the respective tools. But if you're satisfied, tap the checkmark to add it to your project. Now, you can edit your voiceover just like any other clip. To import an audio clip into your CapCut project, first, make sure that nothing is selected in your project. Then tap Audio at the bottom bar and then Sounds. Switch to the Files icon at the top and then select Device. Tap on Select from Device and your iPhone's native Files app will open. Find the audio you want to import and tap on Open at the top right. With that done, tap the plus icon next to the imported file to add it to your project. Now, you can edit your imported voiceover just like any other clip. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.